Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Bridgetta and today it's all about breakfast. I want to thank two viewers, Susie for this mortar and pestle and also Nancy for the recipe I'm going to make today, which is homemade sausage. What you're going to need is maple syrup, salt and pepper, olive oil, bacon, mild Italian sausage, thyme, sage, fennel seed, nutmeg, and red pepper flakes. Now we're going to start assembling our homemade sausage patties. So I have my mortar and pestle, and I'm going to add the fennel seed, the thyme, and the crushed red peppers. And we're just going to crush them for 1 or 2 minutes. And it's really aromatic. This is the best way to do it. Thank you, Susie. This is great. Look at this, colorful. Look at how pretty that is. And it smells so good. Okay, over here on this side, we have our mild sausage. We're gonna add the sage and the maple syrup. Here's our bacon, which I've cut up. Use this to get it out. No, that's not working. Just use my fingers. Have salt and pepper and nutmeg. I'm gonna move it closer to me so I can combine everything. Look how pretty that looks. And now we're going to shape into patties. And I'm going to make it into 8 patties, using about 1/4 of a cup will be my judge or my guide. Now we're at the stove because we're ready to cook our sausage patties. I've got it heating on high. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. I'm going to add oil. We won't need much because of course there's a lot of fat in that. Just going to lightly coat the pan. Swirl it around. Decide to put gloves on. Make it easier. And we're going to add the sausage. Okay, I'm going to take my gloves off now and lower that temperature. So I'm going to put it on paper towels to catch the fat. And I'll start working on the other components of our breakfast. I'm going to assemble the rest of our breakfast. Our sausage is cooling on the plate. We have fresh eggs from a friend who has city chickens. These are our English muffins, butter, and today we're going to use medium cheddar cheese, which is already shredded, ready to go. I'm heating our pan on the stove. I have 2 silicone egg cookers, and I'm going to use my ghee. This is grass-fed ghee, which is really good for you, and that's what I'm going to cook my eggs in. So I'm going to add a little bit to each one. Look at how beautiful that is. So today we're using mild cheddar cheese. other, nope, the other English muffin isn't ready yet. Let's see, there's our sausage. Check on our eggs. They're just about ready. Because we like them cooked just to the point of when you bite into the sandwich, the yolk breaks. And it looks just about ready. And if I take these away, you'll see the shape. Okay, there's our other English muffin. Same thing, butter or ghee.
Good. Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
A little salt and pepper.
Yep.
The pepper
like
cannon.
salt. Wait, nope.
Have some salt.
You know, the best part about this recipe is you can make these patties ahead of time and freeze them for up to 1 month. And then have them when you're ready for maybe Christmas time. Do I dare say Christmas time? Thanksgiving, when you have family visiting.
Right around the corner.
Yeah. It'll be here before we know it.
It's already September.
Almost. Yep.
All right.
All right, let's take our bite. This is probably going to be messy, but
Ready?
we're getting close. Wow. Okay.
I didn't get any on me.
I did. Oh my God.
Well, thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And the recipe will be in the comments here.
No, it'll be in the description box.
Okay.
You knew what he meant, right?
Thanks for joining us.
Another good recipe.
Delish.
Yes.
All right.
All right. We're going to enjoy this. Bye.
Oh my gosh, this is good.
Mm-hmm. Of course, you can have it by itself, too.
That sausage is delicious. Yum.
Breakfast is what's for dinner.
Order something and stay in.